Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a fascinating journey into the enchanting world of date palms. These tall, elegant trees are not only a symbol of exotic beauty but also a highly rewarding addition to any container garden. In today's video, we will be delving into the intricate process of growing and caring for date palm trees in terracotta containers. From selecting the perfect container to providing the right amount of sunlight and water, I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks you need to ensure your date palm thrives in its new home. Starting palm date from seeds is a patient gardener's delight. It may take some time for your date palm seedling to grow into a sturdy plant, but the rewards are well worth the wait. As your seedling begins to sprout and grow, nurturing it with care and attention, you will soon find it ready for the next step in its journey, transplanting into its new home. First things first, selecting the right container is crucial. Terracotta pots are a great choice because they offer breathability, which helps prevent overwatering. Here's what to keep in mind. Size. Choose a pot that is at least 18 inches in diameter to give your date palm room to grow. Drainage. Ensure your pot has adequate drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Weight. Terracotta pot can be heavy, so consider where you plan to place your palm before choosing a pot. Next, preparing the potting mix. Use well-draining soil specifically formulated for palms. A mixture that includes sandy or loamy soil works best, as it mimics the natural habitat of the date palm. Soil pH. Aim for slightly acidic to alkaline conditions. Mix in a handful of composted chicken manure, known as the black gold of every organic garden, to enrich the soil. Keep in mind, date palms thrive in bright sunlight, so position your container where it can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If possible, place it in a south-facing location. Watering is crucial but should be done carefully. While date palms are drought-tolerant once established, they need consistent moisture during their flowering and fruiting seasons. Watering tip. Allow the top 2 inches of soil to dry out before watering again, ensuring it never becomes soggy. Fertilization helps your date palm thrive. Use organic manure or a specialized palm fertilizer during late winter or early spring to prepare your tree for growth. Date palms prefer hot, dry conditions with temperatures around 95 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth and pollination. They can tolerate temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, but avoid exposing them to high humidity. Regular maintenance includes trimming any yellowing fronds and checking for pests. This will keep your date palm healthy and looking its best. And that's it. With the right care and attention, your date palm will grow beautifully in a terracotta container and become a stunning focal point in your home or garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!